Keeping the home tidy doesn't have to fall on one person's shoulders. With a few simple tricks, you can get the whole family involved and make tidying up quick, easy, and even fun. One of the best methods is to create a clutter box. Place a box under the stairs or in a cupboard. And whenever you see items left lying around, pop them in the box. At the end of the month or whenever it's overflowing, give everyone a choice. Reclaim your things or risk them going to a jumble sale, thrift shop, or even the bin. You will be surprised how fast items disappear once there is a chance of losing them. Use a timer for a 10-minute family tidy-up session each evening. It keeps chores short and manageable. Give each family member their own small basket for personal belongings. This makes returning items easier. Buddy responsibilities weekly, so tidying never feels like one person's job. Make tidying part of a routine, like clearing surfaces before dinner or picking up items before bed. With these simple strategies, you will find that tidying becomes a shared responsibility, not a dreaded chore. Try the Clutter Box Challenge and see how quickly your family helps keep the house neat and organized.